subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 3. In a particular section of class 9th, 40 students were asked about the months of their birth and the following graph was prepared for the data so obtained. 9th class के 40 students से पूछा गया कि उनका birth month क्या है और उसके बेसिस पर एक ग्राफ बनाया गया. So observe the bar graph given above and then find the probability that a student of a class was born in August. August born students की probability हमें निकालनी है. Let us see. सबसे पहले looking at the bar graph and reading the question we get two things. सबसे पहले जो total number of students जिनको हमने पूछा कि उनके birth का month क्या है. So the total number of students in the class they are 40. कभी भी probability निकालने के लिए total and उस outcome का number हमें पता होना चाहिए. So next हमें ये देखना है कि August born students की probability क्या है. So number of students that are born in August अगर हम bar graph से check करें, so bar graph पे clearly you can see the August वाला जो सा हमारा bar है, it is equivalent to 6. So there are 6 students that are born in August. So अब हमें probability निकालनी है उन students की जो कि August में जिनका birth हुआ है. So the probability that a student was born in August is equal to number of students born in August, that is 6 divided by total number of students, that is 40. Further इसको solve करने पे we get 3/20.